Gonna show you today this Hoto brushless drill full toolkit. I'll give you some of my experiences with it. I've had it for a little bit, and I will also show you obviously what you're getting. First of all, you get this big case, okay? And the case comes with USB-A to USB-C charging cable, and that is because the drill is rechargeable. So we can turn it on. You have 30 different power modes, okay? Some indicators, another button there basically, battery strength, and then yes, you are gonna charge it here in the bottom. And you can hear the operation, you can see that. And it does operate just like any other drill where you're gonna put in those drill bits and then kind of screw it down. And you do get like a nice set of drill bits here. So you see that operating. You get a nice set there, and then otherwise you can fit all your other drill bits and things like that. Now, of course, you do have direction. Okay, so that's just this little clicker here, as you would expect on any drill. Now, here's what I'll say about this drill. Okay, really good, not super lightweight because of the battery in it. So it is lighter than other drills, obviously, but yeah, it's not like super light. And when I compare it to like a drill driver that I have with my DeWalt, you know, you do have a little switch here, so I'll just show you that right there. That does let you kind of change the mode. But when I compare it to like a DeWalt drill driver, it's not as strong. It's not even close to as strong. It's not that this has really weak strength, but it's not quite the same level as a real tool set, okay? A Milwaukee, a DeWalt, something like that. So that is the one limitation I've found with this. Other than that, honestly, this is every bit as good. The times I have used it where I'm like installing a door lock, or you can see that right there. I actually changed out a couple of light switches. It works for those kinds of situations. So first of all, everything goes back in nicely. These bits, you know, these are a little harder. These are not so hard bits, but everything comes out, and again, you can use other bits. These ones, in general, fairly small, and you probably will want other bits at some point. Now, we can close up this side, okay, and you can actually lock that down, and you have a whole other set of tools. So first of all, set of pliers. You have some other wire strippers, wire cutter components within this. Pretty good teeth on here. Everything feels nice. It's got a good spring in there. So honestly, good set of pliers. The wrench is excellent. Good adjustable wrench. You can see that distance. We can go quite far out. Good weight to it. Next, the hammer. So I just pulled off the sticker. I really hadn't been using this side of it, but you know, really nice hammer. It's got you know, you got a little slot here for kind of pulling up with the main hammer. You've got that as well, and it's really light. So I think this kind of a tool is actually really useful for a lot of people. You can see you have the hanging hooks on lots of these elements too, and they give you this nice little extra. So this is just a front cover for the hammer. It just goes on there, and then it's more like a rubber mallet, so you're not doing any damage. So that's a really nice touch. Now, you do have a screwdriver for all your bits there, and you know, really nice, kind of a thicker handle, a soft rubber too. Like this feels pretty luxurious, honestly. And we have a tape measure. Now, the tape measure, really nice lock or unlock button there, okay? But it, yeah, it just holds on its own. I've actually used this one a few times. We got inches and centimeters on there. So overall, I think this is a really nice set. I think it's meant for inside your home mostly. It's gonna work 90% of the time for a lot of people, you're probably going to get some drill bits in the future. So if you already have some, that's great too. But otherwise, it's a really nice kind of starter set. I think it's well priced for what it is. A lot of these tools, if you were to buy them independently, first of all, you wouldn't get the nice little extras. You wouldn't get the nice little case. So this actually comes along with me on a lot of jobs now. When I don't need the big DeWalt, I don't need to get out all the big tools. And this is a nice set for the other people in my home. Overall, is it worth it? Yeah, I actually think this is worth it for a lot of people. It obviously depends on what kind of jobs you're tackling. The battery life has been excellent on this. I've only had to recharge it a couple of times now in a few months. So I think this is a great set and I can recommend it to a lot of people. Just watch that final power, that top level power out of this.